What will Jamaica be without Leon Bailey? Turns out nothing. They'll be the same, fam, or maybe even better. Ha! Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, we are going to talk about Jamaica's football today. We're going to talk about the performance they've had in the past two games, what we're looking forward to in today's game, and hopefully what we're going to see in the forward, in the World Cup qualifiers to come. So people, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new, and drop a like on the video. We can spread through us universe, let people see it, and hopefully we can get some proper comments on how you think Jamaica will play tonight, future of Liam Bailey, and just regular football talk. So make sure again drop a like on the video, subscribe for brand new. Yeah, Fari, blow the whistle. Let's go. All right, people, hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. I've seen a lot of talk from on YouTubers, commenters about Liam Bailey. Liam Bailey, his lack of performance, his lack of availability. People talking about, oh, Liam Bailey deserve more from the Jamaica crowd, from the masses in Jamaica. JFF treating bad ass as a stuff. Liam Bailey decided not to come back. Did he quit? Did they suspend him and then he quit? Whatever. What I am saying is this, people, and what I will continue to say is Liam Bailey is an absolute fraud. He is an absolute fraud. Once he got cut from the team for suspension for going out to party the night, that night, and then they suspend him for the next game, he decided to come in the media and start talking all sorts of shit about JFF, and then talk about, oh, I'm going to take a break from football. Let me ask you this, guys: why didn't take a break the previous game when they lost, when they played Canada and Jamaica? He didn't take a break then, did he? No. When he missed the damn goal for qualifiers for the Gold Cup, a good thing. Boys are coming the next game and win it and stuff. But where was he? No, he went out with a friend. He went out with his friend, fam, while the rest of the team struggling, wondering what's going on. Football is not tennis, bro. It's not a single man sport, it's a team sport. Every man fighting to get to a common goal, which is winning. So while Liam Bailey can go on the podcast or YouTube or whatever, talk about, oh, he want a sweep by himself, he wants somebody to pick him up or airport, I can give him on first class, whatever. The rest of the team has struggled through that too as well. And who's showing up? The rest of the team, not Liam Bailey. Liam Bailey is supposed to be a leader. You matter about all my general this and that. You're supposed to be a leader, fam. You're not supposed to be a follower. You're supposed to be the one showing the guys what they're supposed to be doing. Why are you jumping up, messing up curfew, go party at night? And then fast forward to the other half of this thing. When whatever happened with Coach Hilmgren, with Speed, whoever called Butler and say, all right, we want this, and this, and Liam Bailey can come. All right, them give him some sort of guarantees that Liam Bailey will be on the team. Why is it that Liam Bailey is going to make a comment the day before talking about, me never see me go up on the team? That's just lies. So who is miscommunicating? Who's lying? JFF, who's lying? Coach Algrimson, who's lying? Fam, I've sat down and I've listened to all the talk. I've seen JFF come up with a statement how Liam Bailey is temporarily suspended. Liam Bailey told you he didn't want to play for the team. Remember, he told you just after you suspended him the last round, right? Not last round, but the round before that. He told you he didn't want to play for the team anymore. So it's not because of Liam Bailey not meeting his requirements. No, it's because he got suspended and he feel away. Yeah, man, you man not preying this, You man are really not preying this. You talk about, oh, Butler said this, and that, and Liam Bailey said this and that, and JFF now meeting the right way because he got suspended and his feelings got hurt. He got suspended and his feelings got hurt, and that is why Liam Bailey decided he's going to take a break from the team because he feels as if without Jamaica, without Liam Bailey, Jamaica is nothing. These last two games that Jamaica played showed me and showed the rest of the world that Jamaica can play football if they want to, and they could. There are opportunities in the Mexico game that could have scored. In the Ecuador game, that should have been a 2-2 by far. Should have never been 3-1. Should have been 2-2. So I'm going to say this. I'm going to say plain and clear so that everyone can understand. If you're listening to my voice right now, hear this. Liam Bailey should not be a part of Jamaica team forever, ever again. He should just JFF should just keep him away. He should just focus on his team and his football in Aston Villa and focus on his promoting thing with dancehall and just leave Jamaica's football. Because at the end of the day, there's too much animosity when it comes to Liam Bailey. There's too much animosity when it comes to Liam Bumbo-Clark Bailey. You remember me tell you that. No, I hope to see the guys play tonight. I want to see them play a full, strong team and put out there upon Venezuela. I want to see Venezuela bring out a second string team. I don't care. Bring out a second string team because they already qualified. I want to see Jamaica play some good football. I want to see Jamaica play some decent football. I want to see them win the game and come out with 3 points. I don't give a fuck about qualifying for the Copa America. We were never going to win the Copa America anyway. I just want to see us playing some decent football. So when we do go back and play on some decent field, trying to qualify for the World Cup, we can play some football and lay the plate down against Panama, against Costa Rica, against all the teams that we'll be playing against them, all the Dominican Republic, all the people we have to play against to get to the World Cup. That's what I need to see. I need to see some decent football. I need to see Bobby Reed, Bosa, Nicholson, all of these men get together and start playing football on the field, on the ground. Yeah? Yes. And big up to Argentina. You're already in a quarterfinal. Listen, you have to go win it again this year because now they're not too good at all. When it comes to the Europa, the UEFA, listen, England, you have one of the most expensive teams in the whole world. You organize the most expensive team in this world and you still cannot play football because of Garrett fucking Southgate, fam. Yo, Garrett Southgate. You're not supposed to play. You're not supposed to near the team no time at all. But you did. You did. You guys won today. Okay. But you guys won. Okay. Fine. Let's see what you do in the next round. But people, best of yourself. Best of others. Manaz.